Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy at a discount price on 1688 without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you would like to learn on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number right here. If you are interested to join my paid training, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, all you have to do is to connect with me via the number on the screen of this video. So without wasting much of our time, let's see how you can buy at a discount price on 1688. So let's get started. Alright, yeah, so this product right here, I need just 3 of these products. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is the real price, it's 135 RMB, but the supplier here have agreed to give me discount price. So this is what I'm going to walk it through. But before you can actually buy at a discount price, you have to chat up with the supplier. Right here, this is the chat box. If I click on that, you see my chat up with the supplier. Okay, so what they asked me to this is my message with them. So I asked for discounts, and they asked me to, let me translate, this is their response. So they had me to submit order and look at it. Okay, so this simply means that by the time I submit the order, they are going to discount for they are going to offer a discount for this particular product. So for me to buy this order right here, I have to click on the product link again, and then I will submit the order. So when you land on the product link, the next thing you have to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. All right, so here you have to set your sizes and the color of the product. So right here, I need two white, 2 of this, and I need one gold, this. Okay. Having selected your quantity, and you can see the amount. This is just 405 RMB. So finally, you click on here to make payment. So you can see the amount still remain 405. Okay. So finally, you click on here. All right, so the amount still remain 405. You can see right here. All you have to do is to make sure that your Alipay is active right here. So finally, come down here and click on this place to make the payment. So immediately your Alipay connect like this, all you have to do is to tap to go back. Just tap to go back, and when you tap to go back, you have to go back to your profile page right now. So I'm going to my profile page. So immediately you get to your profile page, you can just refresh. So when you refresh, you are going to see the product you have not made payment for. All right, so you can see now that the product has moved right here. Okay, so when the product move here, you can click on that and send it to the supplier. So you can see that the price still remains the same right here. Okay, so I'm going to make a screenshot now. So when I make a screenshot, then you will now go back to the chat box where you are discussing with the supplier, with the seller. So here's my chat box. So right here, this is the seller. So I will now submit the screenshot. Sorry for the mistake. So this is the screenshot sent. So I will now tell them order submitted. Please order submitted. Please make adjustments to the price. Okay, so I will now send it to them. All right, so now you can see the seller response. You can see it is good. Okay, so this is the response from the seller. So let me quickly read. Still have a transaction in the store that has not been paid. After payment, we arrange the delivery as soon as possible. Thank you for your visit and wish you a happy life. Now you can see now that they have reduced the price from 405 to 390. Now for you to confirm that this has been discounted and you want to pay direct, all you have to do next is that you can see this is the former price when we submit the order, and this is what we have now. This 390, which simply means that they have given me a discount of 15 RMB. Now, for you to make payment for this order, all you have to do is to go back to your 1688 profile. So I'm going to tap on go back now. Then from here, I will access my profile. Then we get to your profile. You need to go back to on pay order right here. Then you click on there. So when you click on there, it's open up the on pay order. Now you can see now the price has changed from 405 to 390 RMB, which simply means that they have given us 15 discount price. Okay, so for you to make payment, all you have to do now is to click on here. Just click here to proceed to payment. So now you can see we are paying 390 for the products. Finally, you click here and make sure your Alipay is very much active. Okay, so finally you come down here and click on this place. So I'm paying with my Alipay. So immediately your Alipay is going to connect. Then at this point here, you need to click on here to pay now. Okay. Then at this point here, you need to enter your payment password. It's as simple as that. So this is a proof that your payment was done successfully. So you can now go back to your 1688 profile. You go back, and then by the time you refresh, this product will move from here and come to this point. So it will move from this page to about to ship. Okay, so if I refresh now, you're going to see it. Boom. So right here you can see that this product has been successfully paid for and has moved to about to ship. So if I click on here, you're going to see the products that we just. So guys, this is how you buy from 1688 app at a discount price, step by step from beginning to the end. This is how you can do it without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and talk to your supplier. Once two of you agree on the price, then you go ahead and make payment. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe. If you would like to join my paid training on how you too can be a successful procurement and shipping agent, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. If you will like to procure by yourself without using agents, you want to learn how everything is done step by step, you can decide to join my paid training. All you have to do is to connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen of this video. If you would like me to procure your link or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.